ẹ̀yin fans mi, na this kind testimony dey sweet me. You know that when you do a research and you present it and somebody practicalized it and it worked, it gives you joy. It gives you joy. So I just sat down right now. I was busy editing my work. I can be very busy, and the message just dropped on my WhatsApp. And topic tá a ṣe nípa àwọn tó ń ní dọ̀ bọ́n ṣe ń dó wọn, bọ́n ṣe ń handle wọn, and all of that. And I just got the message. I said, let me post it. So mo ti cover number nìyẹn. I'm busy. See what I'm doing. Ewo nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe. Ẹ ti rí báyìí. Mo ń edit iṣẹ́ yìí ni, and I have to edit it and send it to my prof as early as possible. So I've been busy with this. My laptop is screen touch, so I have to send this work before evening. So iṣẹ́ yẹn ni mò ń ṣe tí mo fi receive message. I can be very busy. So let testimony keep rolling, keep coming, keep rolling, keep coming. Congratulations to you, Jari. It is well. So married people, enjoy yourself. Singles, stay celibate. And tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ra yín, you have to understand your body anatomy for you to enjoy the sweet coitus. Bye bye. Love you.